Okay, dear students, let us now do the next topic, which is power. Power is represented as rate of doing work. Okay, rate of doing work means in a particular time interval how much work is being done represents a power. So power can be written as dw by dt. We know that rate of change is represented by d by dt. Okay, so it means if a particular work is being done in a smaller time, so power is said to be more, and if that work done is to be done in a larger time, then power is said to be smaller. So power is basically dw by dt. Also we know that dw is equal to f into ds. So putting this value d w, instead of dw we will put f into ds upon dt. Now what is this ds upon dt? This is velocity, so f into v. So power can be written as P is equal to f dot v. So again it is a dot product of two vectors, so power is also a scalar quantity, and its units can be written as Newton meter per second P, and it is represented in 1 watt, or that equal to can be written as work done is measured in joule per second. Okay, so these are the units for the power. Power is basically commercial unit if we talk about, that is watt or kilowatt hour. So here watt, that is equal to joule per second. Right, now next we can write the dimension formulas for power. That is written as force is mlt minus 2, mass into acceleration, and velocity is lt minus 1. So if we combine these two, we'll get m L2 t minus 3. So this is the dimension formula for power. And from the definition of 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second, we can define the power of 1 watt. So we can write the definition as power is said to be 1 watt. Power is said to be 1 watt when it is said to be 1 watt, when 1 joule of work is being done in 1 second. Okay, so when 1 joule of work is done in 1 second. There are other commercial units, bigger units of power, that is kilowatt, megawatt, or we can write it having 1 HP horsepower, which is equal to 746 watts. So there are many more units for the power, but generally we use the unit that is 1 watt, which is equal to joule per second.